Yeah, I don't know why this light keep coming on when I'm making a video. But okay, today's YouTube lock date is August 14th, 2022. Okay, I'm making this quick video because Sheba jumped 33% today. And why are so many people not talking about Sheba? Why is so much hate on Team Sheba? All hail Sheba. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm making this video today because, you know, Sheba is making some good moves. Right now, as of today, the 14th of August, Sheba is in the top 12. Well, number 12 right now. Okay, on CoinGecko. Okay, and another thing I want to bring up that I don't hear anybody bringing up, and well, I brought it up before in the last video, but from November, 624 days ago, okay, Sheba is up, according to CoinGecko. This is the CoinGecko facts. Sheba is up over 28 million%. Okay, think about that. Which coin has a performance like that? Who's doing that right now? You know, people sleeping on Sheba, they hating on Sheba, maybe they jealous of Sheba because it's a so-called meme coin, but its technology has so many projects being built on it. Okay, and it's looking pretty strong right now. Yeah, that's all I got to say, man. You know, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm seeing, what I think is amazing, and nobody's really talking about it. You know, it's like a hush thing right now in the cryptocurrency community. Okay, I'm out. Yeah, I don't know why I'm drawn to Sheba, but all hail Sheba. I'm Team Sheba all the way. That's why something told me to buy these 24 karat gold-plated coins. You know what I'm saying? For my collection. All hail Sheba. Popping off right now. Loving it. You gotta love it.